In this video we're giving an honest review of Fitify, the home workout app that promises personalized training plans and flexibility for all fitness levels. Fitify offers an impressive library of over 900 exercises, supports both bodyweight and equipment-based workouts, and even works offline, making it great for users who prefer to train anywhere without relying on a gym. The app's guided videos and structured plans are particularly helpful for beginners and intermediate users looking to stay consistent. However, the free version is quite limited, and you'll need a paid subscription to unlock full features and advanced workouts. Some users also note that the workouts can feel generic rather than fully personalized. A serious point to consider is that Fitify faced a past data security issue, where user photos were briefly exposed online, though this has since been addressed. Overall, Fitify is a strong choice for flexible home training if you're comfortable with a subscription model, but not ideal if you want advanced coaching or strict privacy. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews of fitness and tech apps.